Would you cry or would you try to get me? Tell me now, but I want you to be clear. Tell me now, I need you to be clear. Yeah. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Yeah, baby.
Have to come to CVS. Show y'all what we get at a CVS. We have to just come to some essentials. Push what? Excuse me, can you open this for me? Thank you. Meanwhile, I'm looking for cleaning products. They're upstairs. They have an upstairs CVS. So cool, right? I was just looking so crazy. Okay. Headed back downstairs. Got everything I need. Y'all see what I got? Feminine products, laundry detergent.
Enjoy.
Hello.
Hello.
Good. Laundry's complete. You would think when you were on a vacation, you wouldn't need to do laundry. But it's a lot of us, and we needed to wash our clothes that we came in, of course, because we were in a confined area. Y'all know how tight it is on the train for what seems it seems like it was 3 days, but it was only 2 days. Actually the kids and yeah, they probably would say it felt like a week. But yeah, so I know that's the hotel. Unfortunately, they didn't have a washer and dryer, so we had to go do this. We didn't have a choice. Just walking around and enjoying the day. Nothing, just walking around. We just came from that sign taking pictures. But it's getting dark. Huh?
Is that way?
It's that way. But it's kind of dark.
All right, come walk on the beach so you can take pictures of it.
Walk on the beach so I can take pictures of you. My feet gonna have sand on them then.
Nah, don't post this.
Oh yeah, it's getting posted.
Mm-hmm.
It's okay to be a little dry sometimes. I am. You ain't get that dark yet.
Where y'all finna go?
We just looking around, walking around. Maybe might grab an ice cream. What you do? You know?
Maybe might grab ice cream.
The beach headquarters. The beach patrol headquarters. 100 years of Art Deco, a celebration, a world celebration.
Tell me now, but I want you to be clear. Tell me now, I need you to be clear. Yeah. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Yeah, baby.
About to go catch this quick little drag show. Seems like they do this every night. And the other day, when we first got here, I started to watch it, but I had all that luggage with me, and I was like, let me go put this stuff in the hotel room, and I didn't even come back out. So yeah, I'm gonna see it right now. It's literally across the street from where I was at this place called The Palace. Can you see it? Finger, point to it. The Palace. Girl, FYI, this food was disgusting, the pizza and the chicken wings, but I will tell you that this is a drunk man or a drunk woman's meal. Like, they would love it because it's super, super greasy. Don't go here if you don't like greasy food. So we're just walking around. Just grabbed some pizza for the kids and some wings for myself. Listen, have your money tight, have your money right when you come down here, because everything is super, super high. Super high. If you by yourself or just you and somebody else that have their own funds, you'll be fine. But if you coming down here and you got a lot of family like me, like a whole bunch of kids, don't even try it. Like, this is a trip that's on a budget, but a really high budget. Does that make sense? This is not a trip for somebody who don't got nothing. No. Girl, thanks for watching. This is the end of the vlog. Don't know why this clip is in here. We just thought that the police station looked cool, but of course we don't ever want to be in there.